to Dr. Huma Ibrar, and today I have an important update for those struggling with their AHPC Pakistan registration process. My DM and email have been flooded with the queries about this, so I decided to make this video to clear up the confusion. Many students and professionals have been stuck because online registration for AHPC Pakistan have been closed for a while. This is a lot of stress for those who need their license for data flow verification and international licensing process. But here's the good news. AHPC Pakistan has now opened manual registrations. This means you can personally visit their office or send a representative to complete your registration process. If you or someone you know needs to register, here's what you can do. Visit the AHPC office. You can go in person to submit your documents. Or, second option, send a representative. If you are unable to go, you can send a trusted person with your documents to complete the registration for you. Third, documents, make sure you have all the required documents ready before visiting. This may include your degree, transcript, CNIC, and other necessary paperwork. Document information is given in AHPC website. This is a relief for many of you who has been stuck waiting for online registrations to reopen. Now you don't have to wait any longer. I hope this information helps clear up your doubts. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment below and I'll try to answer as many as possible. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any important update. Take care and best of luck with your registration.